Nobody likes these, I accept that, but they are vital. Every plumber fits them, every plumber probably buys them every second day. 86p, I think, at McDonald Plumbing Supplies. They are in Plumbers Essentials, so that is your humble 50mm isovalve, cheap and cheerful. We've got loads of them, we do loads of them. But did you know we also do these? So these are a bit of a hidden gem. £1.15, I think, or £1.13 plus VAT. Got the black handle on it. And again, I just don't believe you'll pick it up at a trade counter for that price. £1.13 plus VAT. And then did you know we actually do loads of these, so full bore. Full bore isovalves are not as expensive as you might think. £2.37 I think that one is for full bore 50mm isovalve, and they're really good quality, they're heavy duty. Just go to mcdonaldplumbingspsupplies.com, either go to Plumbers Essentials for the fast movers, or go to Valves and Brassware and go to Isolation Valves. You'll see them there. mcdonaldplumbingspupplies.com. Our mission is to increase plumbers' profits, and we'd love to get an order. Thank you.